In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a watermark in Photoshop. First, select the Type tool and then make a block on your photo where you'd like it to be. You can change the font and the size as well as the color. So let's click on the color up here, and you can use the eyedropper to select a color from your photo. I'm going to do this kind of rusty color here and click OK. We're going to type watermark. Now, let's say that you wanted to make, your watermark stand out a little bit more. I mean, with this particular color, you can see it probably looks great over the water, but not so good on the rocks. So what we're going to do is go up to Layer, Layer Style, and add a drop shadow. You see a little shadow came back that makes the text pop a little bit more. You can play around with the different styles to see what you like for your watermark, but let's see what with the drop shadow. Now let's say you didn't want to see it as well. You can change the opacity, which will make it more transparent over here in layers. So I'm going to use the slider, and you'll see 50% is pretty transparent. I typically like to stay around 70–75%, and I feel like that way I can at least see what it says, but it's not too much in your face. You can make the watermark the size, the color, the layer style that you want, as long as it works for you. And another tip is that I think the best thing to do for a watermark is have it say at least your name, if not your website. So let's say if you're, bird photographer in Pennsylvania.com, you would type that as your watermark, and that way when people see the photo they can find you and get back to your website. If not, put your name in it, and if somebody is so inclined they'll Google you. But at least don't make it just say copyright or have a big C with a circle, because that's not really telling anyone who took the photo. It's just saying that the photo is owned by someone. So I hope that with this you were able to learn a little bit of how to make a watermark. Good luck!